At Aurora, we illuminate the world with automotive lighting. We bring innovative designs and high-quality products to many famous brands worldwide. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in every product, ensuring our customers receive reliable and trustworthy solutions. Founded in 2011, we have built 14 years of expertise and experience, establishing ourselves as pioneers in the automotive lighting industry. Our journey has been fueled by continuous innovation and dedication to meet the evolving needs of global markets. Our extensive export experience has built us a strong reputation globally, with our products reaching customers around the world. As a trusted brand, we formed partnerships across multiple countries, enhancing our presence and connecting with clients in diverse regions. Our advanced manufacturing facility spans over 10,000 square meters, featuring state-of-the-art CNC machining, advanced SMT assembly line, and automated equipment that ensures precision and quality. We have multiple industry certifications and an advanced testing facility to create and test high-quality lighting products. We provide a range of comprehensive services to meet diverse customer needs, from extensive customization options like add logo box customization, new designs, etc. And we offer strong after-sales support and 2-year warranty. We're dedicated to supporting our clients at every stage, creating value and peace of mind. Our team of more than 400 skilled professionals includes a dedicated R&D division with over a decade of industry expertise. This team's commitment to quality and innovation powers our success and enables us to keep setting new standards in automotive lighting. Aurora, illuminating the world with the most beautiful light.